Oh my! There I go! Thank God for knickers. Whoa, that tickles. Is there a draft in here? I think I need an umbrella here. I am Bomber Granny. Here's a little present for you. Bombs away. There goes my hip again. Oh, goodness. I should have stayed on the cruise ship. I've fallen and I can't get up. You may take away my life, but you'll never take my kitties. Oh, that's gonna leave a mark. I can only dig in front of me, dear. I can't dig through rock, dear.
Attention, all personnel. Beatings will continue until morale improves. Our community theater production of the hit musical Cats has been postponed because only gorillas auditioned. Come on, people. It's a show about cats. Attention. Oh, ew. Cleaning crew report to my office immediately. Does this robotic death suit make me look fat? Does my evil empire intimidate you? No, be honest. Attention, excuse me, but if anybody knows how to beat level 23 in this game, please report to my office immediately. I have pie. Well, it appears that we have a super granny in our midst. Attention. We are postponing the company picnic until Super Granny is neutralized. Why must you thwart my plans to dominate the world? I mean, it's not like I'm evil or anything. Well, maybe just a little bit. Your attention, please. To the person who lost a wad of $100 bills tied with a string, we have found your string. Attention, Super Granny. I can see you. Before I obliterate you, let me tell you about my evil plan. Where did I put those? This weekend, we will have a 25% discount on all Dr. Meow t-shirts and coffee mugs. Could someone explain why this base is underwater? I'm a cat. Today, we're celebrating the birthdays of employees 1128 through 1237. Catnip ice cream is in the break room. This is a mandatory, unpaid break. Enjoy! Will the owner of a deadly nuclear submarine license plate 321 bang return to the docks? Your headlights are on, and there's a ticking sound. Your beloved leader, Dr. Meow, will be on Hollywood Squares tomorrow morning. Don't forget to program your TiVos, people.
This must be the way out. I am so out of here. See you later, crocodile. Oh, I can still catch MacGyver. This is more fun than shuffleboard. Hasta la vista, baby. Bingo! Gorillas in suits? I don't have any bananas. You remind me of my son-in-law. Oh, you smell bad. Let's dance, big boy. Whoa! It's slippery here. Now I'm Union. This hard hat matches my new outfit. YMCA. Heavy machinery. Woo! Here, kitty, kitty. Come to Nana. Oh, my precious. And stay down. Talk to the purse. That Tybo sure comes in handy. Nobody puts Granny in a corner. Did that hurt? Excuse me. Do you feel lucky? Do you? Who's your Granny? I know Granny Foo. What's in this purse, anyway? A kitty in a robot suit? Now I've seen everything. I don't much like this modern technology. I think you'd be much happier on a scratching post. Get back, evil robot kitty thing! I much prefer kitties. Who let the dogs out? Bad dog, bad. I don't think Fluffy will like you. Nobody messes with Super Granny. Something's telling me we're not in Kansas anymore. This just gets weirder all the time. That's right, Granny's back, with a vengeance. I've got a bad feeling about this. Da-da-da-da-da-da. How did all you kitties get here? That's better. Where are your manners? Haven't you heard of clothes? You don't scare me. I didn't realize this was a nude beach. Now that's a fashion statement. Bring it on, Junior. Someone needs a hairbrush. Dear Poppet, my kitties and I have arrived safely at the island resort. The kitties are enjoying themselves, but a nice young tour guide seems to have taken them out on an excursion while I was taking my nap. I'll write more once I catch up with the little dears. Hugs, Granny. Dear Munchkins, a sweet young man in a peculiar costume gave me directions on how to find my tour group. Can you imagine? They went into the jungle. I will write again once I return from my little safari. Hugs and kisses, Granny. Hello again, sweeties. I have rejoined several of my kitties here in the jungle with the help of some quaint villagers. While there, I learned that the rest of the kitties are touring in a nearby factory, which is where I am going next. I will send you another postcard as soon as I locate the gift shop. Be good, Granny. Dear Cupcakes, the souvenir factory was lovely, and I saw some adorable monkeys. My new friends told me that the kitties went for a nice submarine ride and invited me to go with them tomorrow. I'll try and get souvenirs for everyone, so behave. Hugs and kisses, Granny. Dear Pumpkins, I found some poor kitties that were stuck inside fish bowls. I really must talk to the tour supervisor about that, not to mention separating me from my kitties. I hear that they're all having a picnic in Volcano Park. What an exciting end to this vacation. Love, Granny. Dear kittens, I found the tour supervisor's office, but nobody was there except for the cutest, saddest little kitty I've ever seen. He's so chatty, I swear he's trying to talk to me. I'm taking him home with me so everyone make him feel welcome. After all, one can never have too many kitties. See you soon. Love, Granny. P.S. I think I'll name him Twinkletoes. I'm Super Granny. You can move me around with the arrow keys. Try moving me around now. Now rescue these cats. The more cats we rescue at once, the more points we get. When all the cats have been rescued, the exit flower appears. Walk me into it. Walk me to this arrow, dear. Goodness, I've been spotted! Press the space bar, quick! Wonderful! Now wait until the naughty creature falls into the hole. Bingo! I can walk over trapped enemies. After a while, the hole will fill in. Now help me rescue these cats. Sometimes when I rescue all my kitties, ladders like this one will appear. Let's exit this area. I can also use items. Walk me into this watering can to pick it up. Now help me walk to this plant while holding the watering can to water it. Items have a timer. Hurry. Good work, dear. Be a sweetheart and help me walk to my cat. Thank you, sweetie. See if you can help me solve the rest of the level. Oh, bother. The item timed out. I will need to pick it up again. When 100 flowers blossom, I get an extra life. I'd like to try digging. Walk me to this arrow. I've found the cat, but he still isn't rescued yet. Help me lead him to this door. I love gardening. Move me over here. Help me climb the ladder by holding the up arrow key. Bonus flowers are planted everywhere. Take me around the flower beds to tend all of the flowers. When I have found all of the flowers, a super flower grows. Move me over to the arrow that appears. Let's dig a hole in front of me. Press the space bar now. Such a helpful dearie. Now walk me through this hole to rescue the remaining cats. Chim chimney, chim chimney, chim chim choo. Ooh! Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Look out below. I should have worn my bikini. Ooh, the water's cold.